In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Zendesk API token. Whether you're looking to sync your CRM or integrate a bot, obtaining an API token is a crucial step in connecting with Zendesk's powerful capabilities. Let's break down the process into simple, manageable parts so that you can follow along effortlessly. First, you'll need to navigate to the Admin Center. To get there, log into Zendesk and look for the product tray. It's the grid icon you typically see at the top of your Zendesk dashboard. Click that icon, and a menu will appear. You should see an option labeled Admin Center. Select it, and you'll be on your way. Once you're inside the Admin Center, your next destination is the API settings. This is where you'll configure all details related to Zendesk APIs, which are crucial for various integrations. Within the Admin Center, head over to the Apps and Integrations section, then click on APIs. Finally, from there, select Zendesk API. It's important to note that this location has been updated recently, so don't go looking under Security as it used to be in the past. Now that you're at the right spot, you need to focus on finding the API Tokens tab. At the top of the Zendesk API page, you should see several tabs. Click on the one labeled API Tokens. This area is specifically dedicated to managing your API tokens, and it's where you'll create a new token. After switching to the API Tokens tab, it's time to generate a new token. Look for the button that says Add API Token and click it. When prompted, you'll need to provide a label or a description. Choose something descriptive yet simple, such as CRM sync or bot integration. This will help you identify the purpose of the token later on, amidst potentially multiple tokens. Upon doing this, Zendesk will automatically generate a new token for you. This is a crucial step. Zendesk will only display this token once, so it's vital that you copy the token immediately after it appears on your screen. Make sure you save it in a secure location where you can access it later. Many people prefer using a password manager to store sensitive information like this. Finally, to activate the token, you need to hit the Save button. This step finalizes the creation process and enables the new token for your use. Once you've done this, your API token is live, and you're ready to use it for your integration needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully generated and saved a Zendesk API token, setting the stage for your integrations and automations. Make sure to store your token safely and share it only with trusted parties. Thanks for joining me today, and happy integrating.